Hello and welcome to a Label Zone unboxing video. Today we're looking at the Dymo Label Writer 450 Turbo bundle with these two extra rolls of labels. This is the turbo version, which is 40% faster than the non-turbo. So if you're printing lots of labels in one go for this model, as you'll notice quite a difference in the print speed. So this includes two extra rolls. If we flick over to the back, we'll find out which rolls they are. So they're full rolls, 500 labels per roll of the 19 by 51mm and 300 labels on the roll of 41 by 89mm. So those are name badge labels and multi-purpose labels. Let's open it up and have a look. So open it up, there's a user manual and CD included. So pop the CD in onto your Windows or Mac to install the software. See the printer there. We'll go to the cable first. This is USB-A to USB-B cable, a standard cable. Pick these up off the shelf nearly anywhere, about 1.5 meters long. So if you need a longer one, just visit your local electronics retailer. You could probably get a longer one if you need it. Open this little bit here, we'll find a European power cable, but don't worry, there's a UK power cable as well. Here we find the rolls. That's the smaller of the two labels by the looks of it. It's quite narrow. And there's the bigger of the two included rolls. They're in these sealed bags, so I won't open that up. Towards the back here is the power adapter, one of those cables depending on which one you're going to use, probably the UK one. You plug it into this power adapter. Let's have a quick look at this. Plug it into there. There's probably another 1.5 meters, maybe 2 meters of cable to plug into the back of the printer. Let's take the printer out of the box and get rid of the box. Nice, uncomplicated packaging. Still has all the protective wrapping on it. I'm not going to take that off. Nice design of the printer. On the underneath you've got serial numbers should you need it. The power and USB connections are there. The cables will come out this little bridge at the back. On the front of the printer you have the label exit and a button to feed the labels. There's no off button. Power to this stays on, but it goes into a low power state to save power and money. Pop it open, you'll find the spindle already installed, so you know which way round it's got to go. There is information on which way round it's got to go as well, plus a test label printed by this printer from manufacturing. It just has a load of capital A's on it just to show there's no dead pixels across the entire print head. So that's everything that comes in the box on the 450 Turbo bundle. Thank you for watching.